Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you this crimping and clippable connectors toolkit. It is a Kennedy Tools 5-way stripping and crimping kit. It is made from kennedytools.co.uk and it is a very nice tool and nice kit. It have a crimping tool, wire stripper. It have a wire stripper here for non-insulated and insulated wires, wire cutter at different sizes. You can select the wire, and there is a wire cutter here. Wire cutter, wire stripper, crimping tool and wire cutter. We can use to remove insulation from any insulated wire from this side. First of all, we can cut the wire in the wire cutter. You can cut it easily. Then you can remove the insulation from that wire. Just open the opening for wire cutter. Cut it. For different sizes, you can cut it easily. For crimping purpose, you can select your desired connector, insert the wire here and punch it here. It will be crimping, it will press in and the cable will lock in the connector. It have a different sizes of connectors. It is a blade connector in red color, blade connector in blue color. You can crimp the wire here. Just crimp it and use it. Then we have 4 connector here. The same way you can connect one side wire here using this crimping tool. Place it in its position and crimp it. Place the wire and crimp it. Then we have 4 connector. Then we have 4 connector red, 4 connector blue in 4 mm size. Then we have yellow ring connectors, ring connector different sizes. Then we have bullet connector. In one side it have a large entrance and one side you will connect the wire. And here we have bullet connector male. Connect wire here, and this is quick connecting, disconnecting. Then we have butt connector, and then we have push on spade female and push on spade male. Just on this, crimp the wire here, you can use it easily. Blue color. Then we have a blue set here for bullet female, bullet connector female and bullet male. You can also use this butt connector as a splice, like we use splices here, cable splices here. Crimp this wire from this side and install this wire. It is a very useful accessory to make a good connection. So I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.